I thought I would do a tutorial for this look today. This is using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the Bling Boss palette. And guys, they are having a contest. It's ending soon, but you can hurry up and get your looks in, and it's a contest to meet Jaclyn Hill. So I did film this, and I am filming it for the contest. So guys, I'll put all the details below if you guys want to enter, and so just keep watching to see how I put together this look. So first I'm starting with my brows. I'm brushing them upwards, and this is the IT Cosmetics Ultra Skinny Pencil. I really love this pencil. So like always, I just rest my pencil against my nose and make a little mark, and then that's where you want your brows to start, and then that is where you want them to end for the tail. So then I make an outline, and you just want to make an outline underneath your brows, and then I'm going to build up my arch there. So I'm going to start right over there where the arch is and kind of build that up a little bit. And then for that front part, we're just going to take our pencil and flick upwards to make those little hair-like. And then I don't know if you can see, but here my hairs are pointing down, so I flick the brush downwards. And then here we're going to finish building up our tail, so we're just going to color that in with the pencil and then flick outwards, which is kind of how the hairs would be growing upwards. So I'm going to flick upwards and then brush through to distribute the product, and then go back over that front again. So we're going to do the same for the other eye. So basically you're making an outline. You want to outline from underneath, and then you want to outline just the arch area, not really the front of your brows on top. And then make your outline over here where we're going to fill in, because as you can see I have no hair, but like everybody, I really love that full brow look, so we're going to just color them in. And then I'm just taking my pencil and just flicking downwards, because the hairs are, you know, they're going downwards, so you want to like mimic your natural hairs. And then here we're going to flick upwards to create those hair-like looking marks in the front. So then I'm going to take my dip brow and I'm going to fill in now the outline basically. And this is just going to make them look much more fuller and keep everything in place. So this is for when you want a more dramatic look. If I wasn't going for a more dramatic look, I would just use powder at this step. I would fill in with powder for daytime, but for a more glamorous look, I love to use the dip brow. So this is a very tiny amount. I've basically just dipped in one time, and I'm filling in, and again moving my brush in the direction of the hair growth. And now as you can see, I'm sort of flicking downwards with the dip brow to mimic, you know, what my natural hair would do, and then flicking outwards and just filling in that outline that we created. And then you just want to brush everything through and distribute it and make it look a bit more natural with your spoolie. So now I'm taking my favorite Morphe concealer. I love to use this as my eyeshadow primer, and it's only about $5, and to me it truly is the best eyeshadow primer. And then today for a glam look, I'm going to use my Morphe defining stick, and I'm just going to put that under my brows to really enhance that arch area and just to make everything pop. And I'm going to just also use it to clean up the top of my brows and clean up what we created, and then smooth everything over with a synthetic brush. Just get everything nice and smooth, so when you lay down your eyeshadow you have a nice smooth base. So now I'm taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Bling Boss palette, I believe. So I'm starting with Hush Hush on a fluffy brush and just working that into our crease area back and forth and using circular motions. This color is really pretty, not patchy whatsoever, so I really like this color a lot. Just doing the same on the other eye. We just want to blend it out back and forth and making circular motions to blend the edges. So now I'm taking Rockstar on another type of fluffy brush, and I'm going to work this into the crease. This is the lower crease now. And I'm sort of just massaging it over my eyeball. This color is harder to blend, as you can see. So I'm just going to take a fluffier brush now and try to blend it some more. It's very hard to blend this color though. I'm taking some Hush and I'm just kind of putting that on the edge of where Rockstar and Hush meet, so I'm going to use that to blend the edges. So I'm taking Mystic on a fluffy brush and I'm going to place that in my outer portion of my eye and then pull it over to build up some more depth. This color is also pretty patchy. So now I'm taking the Morphe concealer again, and I'm just going to use that to cut the center part of my eye for a halo sort of look. And now I'm taking a teeny tiny brush and I'm going to put Bling Boss on the center of my eye with this very small Morphe brush. So this color is really pretty. Some of the colors in the palette are really nice and some are patchy. This color I think is really nice. And now I'm taking a really small kind of fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend the edges. So I'm going back in with Rockstar and just going to kind of zigzag that over where the colors meet. So I'm going to put that same color under my lashes and then do the other eye. So I'm going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and you guys know I'm so obsessed with these. They just so creamy and just blend out. You don't have to do any work. It just creates that perfect smudged look for you. And then I like to go in with some MAC Smolder and just intensify it even more, since this is a black color. So now I'm taking my MAC liquid liner and I'm just going to make a very small, just line my eyes not too much. But just when you put that black on, it kind of makes all the colors pop against the black. I'm taking some of that Bling Boss again and I'm just putting that in the tear duct. So I'm taking my Morphe lashes, and I really love these lashes. And they're pretty inexpensive and I just think they make such a glam look. And now I'm taking my Lancome Big Monsieur mascara. This stuff is so amazing. It actually gives you a faux lash look if you just wanted to wear that without fake lashes. Here is my Inglet 77 gel liner. I absolutely love this, so I love to just run this over the lash band and go over my cat eye again. So now I'm taking my Lancome Stick Foundation Tint Idol. This stuff is so flippin' amazing. It's unbelievable. And it covers my dark circles. It's amazing. And here is my Michael Todd Beauty Sonic Blend. I absolutely love this brush for applying my foundation and contour. It just is really amazing. It gives you such a flawless finish. And you're blended in just like a few minutes. Not even minutes, actually. It's like, it seems like 30 seconds and your makeup is totally blended, your face makeup. It's really amazing. And it's kind of vibrating and it feels really good and just really works the foundation into your skin so well. And I did put a little bit of Il Makiage foundation, liquid foundation. I go over the stick foundation with that. So now I'm just setting with some translucent powder, Laura Mercier translucent powder. And just tapping it on and pressing it into my skin. You just want to stamp it into your skin. So I'm taking some MAC Dark Tan Mineral Skin Finish so I can contour my face with that. And just letting it kind of hug my cheeks. And now I'm putting on some highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. It's really pretty and natural. So I'm going to take my Lancome Absolute Powder. This stuff is so amazing. It really gives you just the most gorgeous finish, poreless, and it's amazing. And so now I'm taking some Deck of Scarlet Blush that came in the palette. And here is my Morphe lip pencil in Chippy. Morphe lip pencils are truly amazing also. They are really great dupes for MAC. And they have great color choices and they're just really pretty. So, and I'm going to use my Buxom Pillow Pout. This just plumps your lips, but it's matte, so it's just really beautiful and makes your lips plump. So I'm going to take this CoverGirl lippy and just go over that though, because I just wanted more different color. So here is the Morphe setting spray. I love this Morphe setting spray. It's really great. So here is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely let me know if you guys are going to enter the Jaclyn Hill meet and greet contest.